theta or the deep delta state. Okay,
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary areas, the dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Let me show you.
Do you drink?
Not anymore.
Do you drink?
I'm a fan.
The exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also
I can assure you.
intuition or optics or
All the
flickering caps.
My view is a bit
To the theta or the
physical reality to
different for you.
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium. I feel you let me ask the question.
ism or animism implemented.